Hi, my name is Samuel Garcia, and this is my capstone project for Digital Design Fundamentals 120. And I'm going to go through a few simulations of the Machine 1 schematic that I've implemented in digital. The first test that I'm going to run is I'm going to test um, F off and P off to see if gate and G and W will both remain off. 1, 2, 3. Looks like that has worked. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to test if I put in F, which is the correct password, and I leave P off, which is the password input function, then under this machine, my assumption that I put down was that gate would remain closed and the warning would remain off, no matter how many times I cycled through. So we can test that out. So if I turn F on, let's see. Yep, that seems to be working fine. No matter how many times I run through the cycle, seems like both gate and warning remain off. Okay, the next few cycles that I want to run through, so 4 cycles, is I want to see if the gate will open if I have the password on and the correct input function on. I'm going to do a few cycles of that. That looks to be correct. All right. What if I turn on? All right. So that looks to be working fine. Okay. Now, the last function I'd like to test out with 4, which is if I turn on P and I leave F off, which means I'm inputting a password, but the password is not correct, then after 4 cycles, the warning should turn on. Password on. 1. Okay. So it looks like that it is not correct. I put in the gate, I put in the password off, and I put on the password and the incorrect password was inputted, and it's going into this register, and the register is turning the gate on when it should be turning the warning on. This could mean that there are 2 potential locations where it's messing up, right? The state transitions are messing up. So the first place it could be messing up is the register right here, 3BJKR2. It could either be messing up there, or it could be messing up in the output combination logic, because something is turning on, but it's turning on the wrong output. So the 2 solutions I could think of right now is switching the output combination logic so that it would turn on the W instead of the G. Because if we look inside the output combination logic, if we can see, hold on, if we can see that this register is Q22, Q12, Q1 not 2, and Q0 not 2, and we can open this up, we can see that all the ones that have 2 at the very right, 2, 2, 2, 2, if they're connected instead to the warning sign, if we could just flip this around, then I believe we would be able to get this to function the way it was designed to. But it is what it is. Okay, now the last function I'd like to test out is the purposefully glitch that the manual wanted us to do, which is if I input an incorrect function and then I turn both the F and the P off with enough clock cycles, it should return back to 0, 0 state. So let's see. So I'm going to turn P on. It's going to turn the gate on. I'm going to turn P off. And it does not turn back off. Okay. Okay. So that tells me that this is an issue with two of the registers. So the 3BJKR0 and 3BJKR2 are currently incorrect. And it is this demonstration that has come to an end. All right. Thank you.